Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do very simple and fast marble nails. If you are interested, then please keep on watching. I'm starting with my base color, which is White Tips from Orly. This series already contains base coat and top coat, so I don't need to put any of it, and to be honest, it saves a lot of time, so if you don't know that one, please check them out because this nail polish is amazing. Then I will put my stickers on. First I need to cut them into smaller pieces. It will be easier to put them in the water. Then I have my water prepared and I will put stickers with my tweezers into the water and they will soak in there for more or less 10 seconds. After that, I'm placing the sticker on my nails and I'm smoothing it out with my finger. I'm taking off the excess with nail file, and then if needed, I will also take off the parts from my cuticles. You can use the cuticle pusher for that, or you can just use the acetone with a brush. Then I'm doing the same thing on all of my nails. When all of my nails are done, I'm putting top coat on the top. And that's it. As you can see, it's very easy, very simple, and it looks very elegant. So I got a lot of compliments when I was wearing that nails, so I hope you will try them too. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!